Excuse me? You have visitors, I'm sorry. Okay, this is Tatu Carreta.
Eso es un Tatu Carreta.
We are in Tatu Carreta. Oh, yes. Вау. В каком интересном местечке мы. Приехали покормить животных разных. This feeling, but different ones need to eat. Okay, you a little bit. Oh, maybe you. Ow! Okay. Oh, wow, oh, 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 oh. Hello. Oh. Oh, he doesn't want. Here, it's the same.
They are full.
Oh, no, he doesn't want. So beautiful. Nice. Come.
Afraid because the cellular.
Ay, 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 ay. Wait. His teeth are too big. He cannot take the food properly. Yeah.
I don't know. Deers.
Yes, they do like it.
Qué bonito, para sacarle ahí la picture. Ay, pero a eso me da miedo que escupan, no sé.
Excuse me? Excuse me, man? Hello? Ooh. Oh, wow. Oh. So cute. Look at him. Oh, I can give it to you, please. Please come in. Ooh. Messy eater. You have beautiful eyes.
Yes, biggest. Don't have more.
In Purmamarca when I was. Yeah. Come.
The color.
Benny. They're afraid, maybe. Mara's okay. Aww. Like a pet. So cute. Hey, you want more? Oh. Oh, so beautiful. Yeah.
It's a sheep, yes.
Вау, какой огромный кондор. Вау.
Claro, todo el mundo les tira y se están riendo.
Oh, she's lucky. So sweet. Oh. It really looks like plastic. Hey. Plastic tucan.
No, yo siempre entendí que Can era la ave.
What a busy man.
Ah, sí, bien. Hola.
Hola, papá.
Cochino, Pedrito, cochino. Pedrito. ¿Eh?
Uy. I'm sorry. You have visitors, I'm sorry.
Very serious.
Prepare because it's picture.
Come. Ow! Oh, it's my finger.
La luna más chica.
So a little bit sugar.
Yes, sugar.
So first like this.
Like this, close
You
it.
didn't make
And then this, the
empanadas?
repulgue.
Beautiful.
Just look at this. Look, the empanadas.
Wow, beautiful. So beautiful. Oh, and the smell is so nice.
Yes.